So if you guys are returning for part 2, here it is. So I am wearing the same outfit from part 1, but that's okay because it is the same day. So yeah guys, if you guys haven't watched my part 1 of my unboxing from my consigner, then I highly recommend you checking it out. Check it out down below in the description box, and it is also the previous video to this video. So if you guys want to see part 2 and the last item that I received from this consigner, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you guys saw from the beginning of part 1, this box was the one that was shining bright like a diamond, right? So my other item, which was my $23.19, did not come with the box or a dust bag. And my HERMES Twilly, I don't know how you pronounce it, Twilly, it came with the original HERMES box. So the Chanel one also came with its original packaging. I did notice that it was kind of ripped, but it's because this was previously owned by somebody else. So these items are not brand new. There were items that she has that are brand new, and there's some that are gently used, but most of them are in very, very great, excellent condition. So again, oh, it's upside down. Just kidding. So yes, this is the Big Daddy. This is the one that I was not gonna get. I was not looking into this bag. When I saw it in her story, I was like, I need to get it. This is my wish list item for like ever. Besides my on-the-go bag, this was an item that I really wanted, and I was able to get it for a fair price. Obviously there is no taxes included for this bag or any of my bags, so that's why it was also a little bit cheaper. I won't talk prices right now, but if you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section or DM me and I'll talk to you guys about that. But I don't really feel comfortable talking about price on here. So again, this is Chanel, and this was a bag that I was not expecting. So I'm opening it right now. It's very large, so that's why I'm having it right here on the side. So the first thing that I see are the strap. So can you guys guess what I got? This was a bag that I had on my wish list. I wanted initially, but I was like, I'm not gonna get it because it's too expensive. If you guys remember that video, I mentioned it, but it was not a part of that list. So this is the Chanel dust bag, and let's see. Dun, dun, dun. It is the Coco Chanel with light gold hardware and the medium size. So as you can see, I have the burgundy square Chanel with light gold hardware as well, and this is the Coco Chanel. This is just a little piece that kind of protects it from getting indentations on the leather. So this is how the bag looks like. Oh, it's so pretty in person. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so me. I love the top handle, how you could just like, have it in the crook of your hand. Let me just smell it. This does kind of have a perfume smell. She didn't mention that in her live, but I do smell the leather, but I do smell a perfume smell. The bottoms of the feet of the bag does show some wear on the metal. And then let me just check this out. And there is some wear on the metal as well. But let me check the interior. The interior, so far, I have to look through it thoroughly, but she always goes through the bags thoroughly. This is how the inside looks like. This is just such a beautiful bag. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me just check to see if this is the oh yeah, this is the microchipped bag. So it's a newer bag. You can see the microchip on the inside right here. My bag also has the microchip. It is a newer version, like a 2019-2020 bag. So this is my new Chanel Coco handle bag. And it also again has the strap, so I'll attach the strap so you guys can see how it looks like. And just FYI, Hachi is in this video. He is actually sitting underneath my light, my ring light, so you haven't heard his shakes, but he is here. He is right here in front of me. So let me see. So this is how that looks like. Ooh, it looks so pretty. So this is how it looks like. And then this is how it would look like in the crook of my hand. I love it. I love it. Originally I wanted the classic flap, but this is just a bag that I love top handles. I might use that Tweely from the first video. I have it right here. Let me just get it out. Probably for like the summer. Oh, it looks so pretty. Probably have this wrapped around for like the summertime. Oh, it's so pretty. So again, this is my Coco handle Chanel. This is the medium size. This is not the small or the extra small. This is a medium, so stuff is gonna fit in here. I do want the extra small because it is so cute and tiny, but I'm gonna no buy right now. I said that last time. I'm gonna no buy just because this was very, very pricey, and yeah, I cannot be buying more bags. This is it. This is the last one for the year. But again, never say never, because something might come out and I might want it. So we'll see. But yeah, guys, that is my consigner unboxing. My thoughts on it, I would say be very particular who you want to buy from. Again, Vic, I have been watching her for a while on Instagram, and sorry, I might crack in my knuckles because I get a little nervous talking about like stuff like that. But like I said, just keep an eye out. Everyone's different. Every consigner is different. And I just say, just keep an eye out. If there's an item that you like, ask for pictures. They do give you pictures of the items that you buy. And again, you do have a payment plan, so you don't have to buy it all the way. Like, you don't have to give the money right away. You do have a payment plan, and you could pay, you know, weekly or every 2 weeks. So you get paid every 2 weeks. So that is a nice thing about buying from a consigner and not buying from the actual boutique, because at the boutique you have to pay it right there and then. So yeah, guys, that is it. That is my unboxing. It is so pretty. I just can't stop looking at it. Like 360, like it is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So I might do a video on my new Chanel bag, comparing it to my other bag that I have up here. They're both top handles. As you can see, I love top handle bags. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you. And also DM me at lollipopxo. I will gladly answer any of your questions. Okay, guys? So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Bye, guys.